C'est la petite joie du jour, la petite joie du jour. Okay, so I wanted to do one yesterday and I didn't because I dozed off on the sofa with the little cat. So I'll do it today. Hier, on a eu 4 petites joies. Non, 3. 4, je sais plus. I can't remember if I had 3 or 4 little joyful things yesterday. So we'll see. One was happening again tonight. C'est la première ou en fait c'est la dernière hier, c'est le chat. Luma, ça fait donc 5 ans que je l'ai et elle jouait jamais avec moi. Luma, I've had her for 5 years now and she never used to play with me. J'avais plein de jouets pour elle et jamais elle voulait jouer. I had loads of cat toys and she was never interested. Et cette année, elle a commencé à demander pour jouer et c'est trop mignon. And this year she started to ask if we could play. She meows in a specific way. Elle fait des miaulements très particuliers. Et ça veut dire qu'elle veut jouer. It's a bit difficult to play properly and film and talk at the same time. C'est pas évident de filmer comme il faut, enfin, de jouer comme il faut, pardon. De jouer comme il faut en même temps que je filme et que je parle. Du coup, c'est pas top. Une autre joie hier, c'était en rentrant du cheval en voiture. When I was driving back from the horse, il y a un chevreuil ou un daim ou quelque chose comme ça qui a traversé la route juste devant moi et qui m'a devancé sur la route pendant un moment et c'était super beau. So the other one was when I was driving back from the yard from the horse, a deer crossed the road in front of me and just basically leapt in front of me for a while before crossing into a field, and it was really nice to be following a leaping deer. What else was cool? Hier, hier j'ai aussi ramené des pink wafers à l'école. C'est des biscuits orange. So I brought some pink wafers to school qu'un voisin m'a donné. Pink wafers that a neighbor gave me. Parce que je l'ai aidé à traduire et à comprendre des documents français et allemands. So he gave them to me because I've helped him translate some French and German documents. Et aussi à renouer le contact avec des amis allemands. I also helped him get in touch with some old German friends that he'd lost touch with, so that was pretty cool. Enfin bref, du coup j'ai ramené les wafers à l'école et on les a partagés avec mon tutor group en Period 6 et c'était cool parce qu'ils les ont bien aimés, donc les biscuits sont partis très vite. It was really cool because we shared them with my tutor group in Period 6 at the end of the school day and it was really nice because they were all eaten really fast and everybody was really excited to get some food, so I was quite happy with that. Et l'autre truc cool d'hier, c'était ma leçon avec mes year 10 parce qu'on a eu plein de fous rires et plein d'anecdotes rigolotes parce qu'on parlait de nourriture. So the other nice thing yesterday was my year 10 lesson because we had a lot of laughter and funny anecdotes because we talked about food. And lessons about food usually get sidetracked into anecdotes and also lots of French silly idioms with food. English too, like full of beans and he went bananas and he was nuts. So you also have lots of cool stuff about food. So that was interesting. So yeah, I figure, I don't know, yesterday I was really tired so I didn't shoot this and I think now it's actually serendipitous because I'm feeling a little bit low now because it's just sinking in that tomorrow I'm saying goodbye to my year 11s and I wasn't ready for it. I was trying to gear myself up or like brace for goodbyes in June. And I know saying goodbye to year 11s is always difficult, so. And in the end, obviously, we're going to have to say goodbye tomorrow. And, big picture first, we're all in that lot. We seem to be all healthy and they're really, they're good, they're resilient, they're smart. I'm pretty sure they're going to have a cool life, but I'm just sad that our time together has been cut short and that we won't get to do the speaking exam because I was looking forward to hearing them speak in French. So anyway, I'm quite glad to do this video tonight because it's cheering myself up a bit, and also because you get to see a little bit of the cute cat play. And she doesn't like playing with classical toys. She likes ribbons and strings and stuff that she can get tangled up in. So, and she's too fast for me, so that's why I'm using 3, because I'm hoping out of the 3 there's always going to be one I can pull out of her claws. So that's it. These were my little joyful things of yesterday and today. So yeah, let us know in the comments below, what are you happy with these days? I think it's really even more important these days that we try and have a bit of gratitude even for this simple small stuff. So let us know in the comments below, and take care of you. Follow instructions you get given because they're for the good of the community. Be kind, be nice. Let's help one another out in these times, and in every time really, but maybe all the more in these times. And yeah, let me know what you thought. And that's pretty much it. I won't be editing this, so there won't be an outro, and I can't remember the tune of the outro. I only remember the intro. So like, comment, share and subscribe if you fancy it, and I shall see you later. Bye!